A very good day to Miss Lucy and my classmates. My name is Ko Zhu Xiang. Today my group members and I will be giving a presentation on tuberculosis. What is tuberculosis? Tuberculosis is a disease caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is an infectious disease that usually attacks the lungs. The origins of tuberculosis can be traced back 9,000 years ago in Elliot Yam, a city now submerged under the Mediterranean Sea. The trace of tuberculosis was found in the remains of a buried mother and her child. The earliest written mentions of tuberculosis were found in India and in China. In the mid-1800s, people thought that tuberculosis was hereditary. Moving on to 1865, John Antoine Villemain proved that it is not hereditary but contagious. On March 24, 1882, Robert Koch discovered Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Before TB antibodies were made, people infected with tuberculosis were sent to sanatoriums. In between 1943 to 1952, treatments for TB were found such as streptomycin. TB death rates in the United States began to fall, and most sanatoriums had to close down. During the mid-1980s, there was an increase in TB infections. Next, I am going to be presenting on the life cycle of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. In stage 1, the bacterium is inhaled in, it reaches the alveolar macrophages. In stage 2, if the bacterium is not killed by the macrophages, it will then reproduce. In stage 3, it will cause the death of cells. In this stage, TB begins to develop. It kills the non-activated macrophages and will produce anoxic conditions which decreases the pH level. In stage 4, the bacterium uses inactive macrophages to reproduce, which forms a tubercle, a small nodular lesion in lungs. If TB is spread to other parts of the body, the person may get biliary tuberculosis. In stage 5, the tubercles will liquefy, which causes the bronchi walls to become necrotic and rupture, causing a faster spread of TB into other parts of the body. Thank you.